Hi there, I'm in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, which is right in the south of the country. This used to be called Saigon, and in fact a lot of locals still refer to it as Saigon. I've got roughly another 6 hours here before I need to head to the airport and fly home. I'm just intending to wander around, take a few photos, see what I can find. The camera I'm using here is my little Sony ZV-E10 II. I've got it recently to do some videoing with, so I've not really used it for any photography, so it'd be quite interesting to see how it comes out. Anyway, I'm going to wander around and explore and see what I can get, and I'll share some of the journey with you, so I hope you enjoy it. Right, have another road to cross. The method, as in Hanoi, is to avoid the cars because they don't seem to stop, but the bikes just work their way around you, so just go for it. I've only got another 6 hours to survive. I've not been in Ho Chi Minh City for too long, but it's a very different place to Hanoi and the other places I've visited on this trip. So up ahead of me is the Notre Dame Cathedral. So street photography is not really my forte. I enjoy doing it, but I'm not sure I'm very good at it. Landscape's more my thing. What I'm trying to do is just finding little snapshots of how I'm seeing Saigon in my eyes, Ho Chi Minh City, and the little details and the local life. There's a lot to take in. It's a very busy, kind of bustling place. A lot going on, a lot of noise, a lot of people. It's always interesting to see how people get around on their mopeds. I've seen families of up to 4 people on one moped, which is kind of crazy. And also what I've found quite surprising here is how many people use their phones while driving on their moped. So it never takes too long to find interesting subjects to photograph. So my time here in Ho Chi Minh City is up. It's time to head back home. I've just spent the last 6 hours or so wandering around. It's been baking hot, really hectic and busy, so much going on. I hope you've enjoyed the video, hope you've enjoyed the photos I've taken. Please let me know what you think of them in the comments. I mean, street photography is not my forte, but hopefully I've given it a good shot. So anyway, if you have enjoyed it, then please do click on the like button, really appreciate it. But for me now, it's time to grab my stuff and head to the airport and head home. So thanks a lot for watching.